So welcome all of you. Friday. We are going to learn tags, tags in HTML. Let's go. So first of all, what is tag? Tag in HTML is like a label that tells web browser what to do, what to display the content. Like the p tag, it's telling the web browser to display the paragraph. Like the head tag. The head tag telling the browser that to display the headings. So it's like giving instruction to the browser about how different parts of web page should look and behave. Basically, tags are enclosed within angle brackets and typically comes in pairs, like an opening tag and closing tag. So the opening tag indicates the beginning of an element, and the closing tag indicates the end. So here, example, p tag is used to define a paragraph. Like you can see, it is showing the opening tag and it is showing the closing. So this is the paragraph. Like we have to add this is the paragraph in the content in between the opening tag and closing tag. So another point is HTML is case sensitive. Means the capital P and small p are same. You can see the opening tag. Let's see. This section is the content. Okay. See, it is the closing tag, closing angular brackets. I can say closing tag also. Closing. So this is the content. Ending of the content. And here is the ending of the content. So this is the starting of the page or the opening tag we can say in the p tag. So these are the content within the opening and closing tag. So this is the closing tag. If you are writing capital P, it also acting the same. You can see here showing the same. So there is no case sensitive in HTML. So HTML is supports both case sensitive. So that's all about tag. Then we'll go to HTML element. So the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end. So suppose that tag name and the see. So here all are the HTML elements. Okay. So you can say all from starting of the opening tag to the closing of the end tag. So all are called the element. Here you can see this all are the element. So element contains the opening tag. This is the opening tag, content, and closing tag. So this is the elements. So there are lots of elements like empty element, empty element like BR tag, HF tag, in the image tag. These are the empty elements. because these are don't have any closing tag or these are don't have any uh, content within the body. You can see it's having only the uh, starting tag. Words, what is the U? We will later discuss what is the what function of BR tag, etc. And image tags. So BR tag is also there. These are also these are the HTML and T elements. So you can see there is another concept like here you can see is the empty elements. Like these elements are called empty elements because do not have any end tag. So HTML nested element. Nested elements can be nested. It means elements can contain other elements. That is called nested element. Okay. Same. You can watch. This is was cow. Uh, the cow is white, in color. If you are opening these, you can see these are coming in one line. So there is no line break before on. So we are going to code then just type beer tag. So after beer tag, you can see it comes to a new line. So beer tag is used to break a line. And here you can see it is called as a nested element. Nested element uh, because tag that contains another tag is called nested element. Suppose the element, suppose here h1 element, which contain the another element br. So that's why it is called a nested element. In here you can see the HTML element. The closing tag is here and it contains all the tags like body, head, meta, title. So it can also be called as the nested element. That's all about the elements. Then yeah, so keywords in HTML are like extra information added to elements. They are written in the opening tag after the element's name, and they modify or enhance how the elements behaves or appears. For instance, in image src, you can see here is a image .jpg and alt equal to description. The alt equal to description and src equal to image.jpg or the image file name. It specifies the attributes. These are the attributes, the src and all, because it adding extra information to the image tag. So you can see here you can see image. The image hashtag. Uh, these are the attributes. The alt insult are adding icon. These are the descriptions we are adding to the image tag. And you can see the style attributes also there. And adding color equal to blue. So these are the attributes. You can see showing in color. This is the description of the image that we have typed. So these are the attributes. There are the various attributes like you can increase the font style. Let's italic. So in italic. So these are the attributes in HTML.